How to turn off comments in-app notification on TikTok. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just go and open your TikTok.
Ja, det var rätt
Then,
dramatiska scener här
as
efter
you see,
matchen direkt.
when your TikTok is opening, you will just go to profile, then go to this three line at the top of the screen, click on it, then go to settings and privacy, click, and then go to notification and go to the second in-app notification and turn off no comment notification in app by clicking here like this, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.